To help farmers with the threat of mycotoxins, Alltech has developed the 37 Plus program, the most advanced system in the world for analyzing feed samples for multiple mycotoxin contamination. This tool enables producers to evaluate toxicity levels of more than 37 mycotoxins from a single feed sample. So how does it work? It all begins on the farm. Using the correct sampling techniques is vital for producing the most accurate results from the program. Whether you're taking a sample from a silage bunker, total mixed ration or feed mill, it's important to get a thorough sample across the entire area. Be sure to pull several samples from multiple areas and place into a plastic bucket. Once you've collected all your samples, transfer the contents of the bucket onto a tarp. Mix gently by picking up opposite corners of the tarp and bringing into the center. Repeat this action several times until the contents are thoroughly mixed. Since this full amount is too large of a sample to send in for sampling, quarter the contents and separate. Place 1/4, which should be approximately 400 to 500 grams, into a Ziploc bag. Press out all of the air, seal, and double bag for protection when shipping. Then, simply ship the sample to our analytics lab for processing. On receiving the samples, our state-of-the-art mycotoxins analytics lab goes to work. All samples received at the analytics lab are logged in for accurate record keeping. A portion of the original sample is archived in case questions arise about the sample at a later date. After samples are logged in, they are ground in their entirety. Ground material is subsampled for the overnight extraction process and to test moisture content. Samples such as silages or TMRs may have to be freeze-dried if they're too wet to grind. The following morning, post-extraction solvent is transferred to a microcentrifuge tube and spun down to eliminate particulate matter, then transferred to an LC vial. A calibration curve is created from a mixture of standards of all mycotoxins. This allows us to compare and quantify the concentration of mycotoxins found in the sample. The sample sequence is then programmed into the LC-MS and the injection sequence begins. Once the sampling sequence is complete, the raw data is reviewed and transferred into a data report. This report is passed on to Alltech's mycotoxin management team of specialist researchers, where they assess the risk posed by any multiple mycotoxin contamination found in the sample. Once the analysis and risk assessment is complete, the data report is provided to the producer. An Alltech representative will discuss the results and present a customized recommendation to help reduce the risk of future mycotoxin contamination to animal health and performance. Alltech's 37 Plus program provides producers the ultimate mycotoxin risk assessment tool on the market.